In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve that pesky issue when you're trying to attach files in Gmail and run into an error. We'll delve into a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and fix this problem so you can send your attachments smoothly without any hitches. Firstly, it's important to understand why you might encounter an error when attaching files in Gmail. Typically, this could be due to several reasons, such as problems with your internet connection, the size of the file you're trying to send, or even issues related to browser compatibility. But don't worry, we'll address these one by one to help you identify and resolve the issue. A good starting point is to ensure that your internet connection is stable. With a flaky connection, you might find your files not uploading as expected, leading to errors. Check your connection by visiting another website or quickly running an internet speed test. If your connection is weak, try restarting your router or switching to another network to see if that resolves the issue. Once you've confirmed your internet connection is stable, the next step is to consider the file size. Gmail has restrictions on the size of email attachments. You can send files up to 25 megabytes directly through Gmail. If your file is larger, Gmail will automatically convert it into a Google Drive link. However, if this conversion is not happening smoothly, consider manually uploading the file to Google Drive first and then sharing the link in your email. If file size isn't the issue, let's examine your browser. Sometimes, errors with attachments occur due to browser-related problems. Ensure that your browser is up to date, as older versions might not support some of Gmail's functionalities. If updating your browser doesn't help, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve many technical issues by refreshing the browser's memory, particularly if there are corrupted files causing interference. Another important step is to disable any browser extensions that might be interfering with Gmail's functionality. Extensions can be incredibly useful, but sometimes they conflict with web applications. Access your browser's extension panel and disable them temporarily to see if this resolves your problem. If you've tried all the above steps and still face issues with attachments, there might be a problem with Gmail's server itself. Check for any Gmail outage reports online. If there's an issue on Google's end, you may have to wait until it's resolved. With these steps hopefully guiding you to a resolution, you can continue with your email communications without further interruptions. Remember, maintaining an up-to-date system and periodic checking of your browser's health can help prevent these issues from occurring in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your Gmail attachment woes are now a thing of the past.